just on.
It'll go in.
Oh, it's around the wrong way, baby.
Huh? Oh, no, it's right.
Oh, my face.
Okay, I'll go a little bit light down. Tell me how it looks in the back.
That's alright.
Might have to come a bit closer, right?
Just stop. Yeah, we'll go back to something. The thing is, yeah, that'll do.
Yeah?
Yeah. Come down, yeah.
Is the back right?
Yeah, it's all good. All good.
Like so.
As close as we can
Hey, Jeremy.
It's good.
But now what I'm thinking.
There's no climb in there.
No, it'll be fine. But what I'm thinking, what we should do is actually jack it up a little bit and try to tilt the motor a little bit.
Oh yeah, on the push.
Like just pull it up. But yeah, it's sitting a bit better.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Is that clearing back?
Yeah, that's good. I'm worried about the front, not the back. Yeah, it's.
About time. Oh, I didn't see the name.
That's good.
It's good, isn't it?
Stop there. Might come up a tiny bit.
What? Oh yeah, look. That one's almost in.
Alright.
That engine mount. That one is heaps far off. So
I think we've got to come in about an inch if we can. Push the trolley in a bit.
because my engine mount's still.
Alright, so we've got to go back towards the back a bit more still. We might come up a tiny bit first. Yeah, I've got to come up to get this engine mounted in.
Where's the scissors?
Yeah, so the motor's just we've got to tuck it in on the other side. So if you can come down while I hold it in, it'll settle better.
Down?
Yeah, just a little bit. Righto, stop. So that engine mount's in place.
That one is?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
So all we've got to do is Let it down just a little bit. Let's see what happens. It's going down just a tiny bit.
Yeah, now, see that's sitting on here now. To go up, just a touch. Alright, so now put that into...
Gearbox is too low at the moment. So can you jack the gearbox up at all?
No, the gearbox has to actually come down.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, all right.
Uh-huh. Oh, wait up, no. So that's sitting up here.
Yeah.
Is that dowel?
Yeah, it needs to get into the hole.
Look, that's up because we're still pretty far off on that.
Yeah, that's right. So that's as high as you can get the gearbox, is it?
Pretty much. Because the angle is well.
What do we need to do? Bring the front of the motor up and the back down?
I think the motor just still has to come down more.
Yep. Yeah, cool.
Like, but we gotta now.
I reckon readjust that cable so it lifts the front more than
But
the
wait up, we
than the
have
back.
to now like.
Yeah, that's right. The back one's sort of in its cradle, you know. So.
Go a bit down. Yeah, stop there. Just a touch up. Alright, stop there. Alright, so. Hello. Who's watching? So now this engine now. Oh, actually, wait up, stop. So I'm actually in my dowel on this side.
Yep.
Stand up on those crepes. Oh, sorry.
I'm actually in my dowel on that
What's
side.
going on, eh?
Yeah, the gearbox has got to go up.
Just walk around.
Hang on.
That's fully on.
Okay, well that's cool. We've got to let the motors in and rechoke it so that it lifts up a bit different.
So I'll just lower it.
So it brings the nose up wider. You know what I mean?
Can you just go down slightly on the thing?
Yeah, almost.
Alright, yeah, that's looking good.
Yeah, it wants to slip on, doesn't it? Sorry.
Yeah, but you know what I mean? Just give us,
Yeah,
don't
no,
put your fingers anymore for a second.
Yeah, stop there. Now that's actually good now. Oh, okay, that's almost. Wait up. Wait up. The gearbox is almost in. Wait up. Oh, did you go up again?
Yeah, you did. That's what you need.
Stop. Where's the dowel?
So I may have to come down again, but I just had to pick the nose up a bit more.
It's gone a bit too far back. It needs to come forward a bit.
These
Is there a
things
big
are-
screwdriver there somewhere?
So for lining up the holes, you mean?
Yeah, no, I need to just pull this,
Is that big enough?
no, flathead.
Big flathead.
Oh, yeah, nice. This dowel, that's pretty close in. Can you try to go down?
We'll have to go down a tiny bit. Come
Can you try to go down now a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's almost in. Now how's that engine mount? Yeah,
It's
good.
lining up.
Yeah, it's
I can
almost-
jiggle it in.
Okay, now go touch more. Almost, man. Is that other side? How's that
That
other?
engine mount's just sitting right in place. It's good.
good down a touch?
It's not going to go down.
No.
It amounts here.
Alright, so go up, just a fraction, like just try to stop.
Yeah, let me just.
Stop.
We've got to actually go up enough to twist the motor
Oh, wait up, no, so
to get
now,
both those engine mounts in, unless you're not.
now
gonna-
what I want to do is just drop the box a touch, so it's a bit more level. Wait up, stop there.
Nick, what's that there on your left arm?
Circuit diagram.
The what?
Part of my invention.
What?
Part of my invention.
The tattooed.
Solar
So you
panel.
wouldn't forget it.
Solar panel.
Oh, can you go down now? Oh, you go
So
down?
how to convert DC into AC power.
Oi,
Okay.
Nick,
Yeah,
down.
coming down.
Yeah, stop. Now, can you see the on your side the dowel? I'm
Actually,
good.
look, I think it's in the hole. Yeah, it's in
You know what? I'm gonna
good.
chuck a bolt in. So now if we lift it,
Yeah, that's the go.
yeah,
Good rolling there.
show us. Oh, that's miles out.
Is
Oh, yeah, but
No.
the gearbox just needs to come down on this side.
Yeah.
See, the dowel has to go into here, and now it's down there. But that's because the gearbox is twisted a little bit. So I'll just.
No, the motor's still twisted like this.
Is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
because we've got that engine down here. The other side's not, so the motor's up by like.
Yeah, I'll chuck a- I'll get to bell housing
So it
bolts.
drops down and
Well, just don't move it now.
Hmm.
Or don't move it because it's in position. Me. That's the one.
I'll be just giving that a little niggle there.
Yeah, wait up. I need it.
Engine mount's just bloody just hanging on here.
Where is this? The wrench.
You got a crowbar for that?
Wait up. Don't do anything yet.
Is that?
Oh yeah. Thank you.
So this here, we should do this bloody.
Yeah, wait up. Yeah, that's good, man. I can get.
Get a few bolts in, and when we lift it, it might settle itself a bit better, you know?
Yeah,
up and down
exactly.
a few times.
What the fuck? Oh no, that's. Yeah.
Oh, same motor as mine.
Lift it up. Attach. Oh yeah, that dowel. Okay, wait up, stop. Where's that? Where did I put that screwdriver? Sorry. Oh yeah, there it is. Alright, watch. Lift it up a touch. Okay, stop that. Oh, dude, that was fucking almost in before. Okay, wait up, let me. Gearbox needs to come up. Dude, so close. Alright, wait up. Okay, now wait up. That's almost, that one's almost lined up. Now if I do this one. this one's too low. The gearbox just needs to come up a little bit on this side. So 1 second. Yep. No, actually wait up. Stop. No, that's now completely wrong angle.
You don't want to put it under the motor and lift it just slightly at the back, or
Yeah. Watch this.
you get a block of wood under the sump, put the jack under that.
Yeah.
But it just depends. Yeah, right. Couple jacks. That'll work better. Move those bricks so you don't really need them there. Whatever.
Oh, like that. Yep. Stop that. Like that. Like that.
Do you want to put a bit of wood under it?
Yeah.
Hang on a second, there's a bit here.
Hello.
It's leveling it up, isn't it?
Yep.
But you can't move it that much once we do that, because that helps line up some bolts though. Ooh, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, but this
That
one's-
might have gone into right into the joint. We just need to give it a twist. Hey, if you just come up on that jack, just come up just slightly on the one under the motor. No, the one under the motor.
Yeah, that too, but
Yeah.
my main goal is now to try to line at least one of these dowels in.
Yeah, so you got to come up a bit more on the motor or down on the box.
Yeah, dude, that's really close now.
Well, this side's quite a fair bit out, so it still needs to get that twist. Or you want to come up on the sump?
I can't because then it's
Oh, yeah, righto. Fluffed it.
now what I think.
Dude, I could probably get in there and just twist it.
No, well, what we need to do is just. No, it's not that, dude. I need you to operate the actual jack on the. Yeah. Yeah, wait up, stop, yeah, wait up. Fuck, it's almost in that one. Okay, wait up, let me see if I can get a bolt. So if I can get one bolt in, then I can at least
Yeah,
hold the
gearbox is
corner.
too high. It is a bit high.
Oh, dude, that's so close. Oh, stop. That's it. Oh, how's it? So close.
Yeah, if you get one of those in and then let the gearbox down.
Yeah, that's it, man. Because at least it'll be holding on a corner.
Someone said hi to you, Nick.
Hey?
Oh, someone said hi to Nick. But I can't read the comment.
There we go. Stop there.
Come down with the gearbox.
Don't move it. Now, where did
Turn
I...
on the gearbox nice and slow.
Where'd I put the... Wait, not yet. Where'd I put the ratchet here? Let me just screw this one in.
Hey, AJ.
How's your dowel on your side?
Well, you got to drop the gearbox down about 1.5 inches.
About 1.5 inches.
Well, it needs to roll more, not down so much, twist. Not the motor, the gearbox.
So the gearbox...
A little more to the left, Nick. Drop it 2 inches. Michael Hart.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
See, she's just there. And that's where you deal it.
Uh-huh. So that means
Got to drop the gearbox down that way.
down that way. Yep. Alright.
Your brother watching the big block drop.
Oh, how did that go?
Yeah, a little bit more. Oh, mate, can you go any more? That's it, we're in.
Nah.
Run round here and chuck bolts in, we're in.
Nah, man.
Yeah, mate, we're in the hole.
Phew.
It's a 4mm gap, so if you chuck a bolt in, come and whack one in here while we've got the money spot. Don't jack any jacks or anything.
Yeah?
You could have come down just the tiniest bit on the gearbox, because you just went up before, did you?
No, on the engine.
Okay.
Now?
Go down, just the tiniest. That's it.
Yeah?
Mate, these bolts are ready to go in. Booyah. I've got a good position to whack one of them in if you got...
Yeah.
One in here, Mike. These are your gearbox bolts?
Yeah.
Huge. So what about the engine mount on the other side? It's all sweet. Is that in position? No. That's all right. Once the gearbox is in, we'll lift it up and down, it'll fall straight in.
Let me see if I can get in on this.
Sorry.
Wait,
Oh, look at that. Perfect.
let me try this one here. So I'm screwing it?
Yeah.
Yep, this one too.
Nice. So we don't want to do them up too tight until we get the
Yeah.
flywheel in the let's get rid of that. That's good.
Yeah. Alright, well, that's
So we'll try and leave like a 1mm gap sort of. Even though she's nice and joined up here, try and leave a little gap.
But now...
So if you get 2 bolts on the other side there, then it's all right for us to lift the motor up and down a tiny bit just to settle on the other engine there. Because we are going to have to Yeah, that's cool.
Hey Nigel.
That's all right. We'll take all the jacks off. Once we've got those in, take all the jacks down and lift it up and it'll settle down a lot better. Because we just got to push it over to the left a little bit. Have you got another one of those? I can reach another spot.
Yeah, this one here, it's in a, need to pull this one in a little bit more.
Is it like, it's located though, right?
Hey?
It's in the right location?
Yeah, but it needs to be pulled in, otherwise it might pop out. And then I need this one, and this one. That's great.
Just remember not too tight because we've got to get the torque converter sorted.
Oh yeah, because wait up now.
How are you going for lining up the torque converter?
Well, the torque converter is still spinning.
Yeah, we needed to.
Yeah, it needs to go into the hole. Alright, so
You
now
just
what
need
I'll
to
do
line it
is
up.
I'll just I'll loosen this, the engine one here.
Because we can take the weight back on the hoist now. Yeah.
Right.
I'll come up here.
And now wait up. Oh, stop. What I can do now is maybe jack the tranny up to get that to get leveled. Yep. Now it's in. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so now the gearbox is in the center pilot bearing. So now how are the engine mounts looking?
Don't worry about them. Get the torque converter sorted out first. Because we've got to push everything over to the left about 2 inches. But that's, we're better off just getting the torque converter sorted out while it's in a good spot.
It's actually in the
Alright, so we need to. Okay, that's a good spot.
but that's the wrong hole. It goes into this one. This one.
Okay. Well, that's alright then. If that moves that easily.
It's in the it's sitting in the crank.
Well, we should settle the. Yeah, once you've done that up, we'll just set. We've got to pick the motor up and just push it over to the left and settle it down.
Well, now
Without
at
the
least
jacks on it.
because now it's sitting in the dowel,
Everything should do up tighter.
I can actually just now remove this tranny jack, right? And now it should actually just sit on the dowels.
No, go up a little more.
Really?
Just it is, but you're taking excess weight that you don't need to go up.
Or maybe we should chuck up.
Just stop there. Yeah, just do the gearbox bolts up as much as you can.
Oh, I need to put a top one in, I think. Yeah. Yeah. I'll put one in the top.
Well, in that position, it's all good to do them all up tight. So, because the torque converter's in the right spot. Have you got the bolts for the torque converter? Just chuck one nut in the bottom there, and then we don't have to worry about it again until we do it up.
See, that's way too high.
Ah, you got the plugs in there too. Yeah,
The what?
all good.
Is it bad?
No, it's all good. It's all good. We've got to turn the motor over once we get one bolt in there. That's all. No big deal. You've got to take the plastic wrap and stuff like that off so it doesn't get mashed up in there. Well, I can get one of those bolts in, and that's all that matters for the moment. We'll have to put the motor on the mounts before we can turn it over.
Yep. Alright, I'll just tighten this up. So now, can I wait up? What's up, mate?
Yeah, that's cool.
Sorry.
That should drop in the mate.
How's the engine mounted?
It's right in its right spot.
Is it?
So we'll just see what happens when we go
Do
down.
it slowly.
Alright.
Is it it's probably sitting on the chassis now.
It is just gonna,
I'll push it back a little bit.
you just gotta, have you got the long screwdriver?
Yeah, here.
Yeah, this is 2 6.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now wait up. I'll just. Can you go down? Make wait up.
I may have to go up and just get it in the slot a bit better. Go down first.
Are you going down or?
Yeah, down's not really helping just. What's up? I've got to go up.
Oh, no, that's probably.
More of a twist on it.
Huh? But that was in.
Oh, I'm going to come down.
Keep checking yours engine now, maybe.
Alright, so now mine's fine, but it might want to be a bit.
Sounds pretty good. I mean,
Oh, hang on.
oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's in. I mean, can you maybe just go up a touch with the thing, with the jack, and I'll push down.
Yep.
No, down. Go down.
What I'll do instead.
Because it's just hitting that metal now a little bit.
Yeah.
That just in the corner here, dude. That's it. Look here.
Yeah. So, why don't you just, if you just run the pause for a second and go up for a minute. Slow.
Yeah.
A little more. A little more. A little more. A little bit more.
Oh, I can't.
Alright. Yeah. Now try going down there, just real slow. Yeah. How's that looking on that side? Go down?
So,
Because I haven't let this sit in there just yet. Is that all the weight off, is it? I can get this to sit down, but
It was good before.
yeah, it will be. What's your feeling, mate? So it's still getting caught there, eh?
Oh, wait up. Now, what if I just jack it up here? A touch, watch. If I jack up the corner, right?
Furthest corner.
There.
Yeah. Alright, just hang on a sec. Hang on a sec. Right. Yeah, you let it down. That's it. Down.
Now the jack needs to go down. The
Yeah.
main jack.
The hoist.
Post, yeah. Stop, yeah, stop.
Oh, we're in. Hang on. Not that side.
That side is in?
So now we've got to.
That side is in?
Yeah, we've got to get the right side in.
Watch this. What if I do this?
Come up and just do the tiniest twist.
No,
It's on.
How's it looking over
Yeah,
here?
It's on. It's on.
that one's in. Is it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. On the money, mate. Just let it sit down. So that's the way off. It's on, mate.
Well, that one now is fucked.
That's alright. We'll have to go up and down the tiny bit just to line up the holes. That's cool. Just a little niggle over here.
Look at it.
We'll do this one.
Well, you do that and I'll just lift up on the...
Jack on the. Oh, yeah.
Now, maybe if I just jack now on this corner.
That's right, yeah. It'll just twist it down a little. You just got to pop it over that edge. Oh, I got him in, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah. No. Beauty. You can put the engine bolts in here. Right, too.
Where does the top converter spin? Yeah.
Yeah, so you'll only get one of them, or whichever close one you can in. You have to crank the motor over. Take all this shit off before we crank it over. In
Very
case
good
the
idea.
valves, it gets mashed up in the valves. We've got to hand crank the motor
Yeah,
over.
yeah. Puff off.
So there's the knee.
Good
That's
job,
in, man.
guys.
It's in.
It's lined up at least.
This is so exciting.
So who's on the chat comments?
No one's looking at the moment, but there's been a few comments.
Oh, that one's a bit loose.
Sick high drip to go.
Oh, there's
It
so
would,
much you could do with this.
this car would look sick hydro dipped to gold.
Mmm.
Yeah, well, that's the name
All
of
these.
that's the name of it. Gold digger.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
I know that. That's what I was saying. It looks sick if everything was hydro dipped gold.
3/8.
Yeah, you used to buy that hydro dip.
3/8. 10 mil. Close enough.
Yankees. Fucking Yankees.
Hey?
Yankees.
But let's see if the 10 mil does fit. Yeah. That wasn't too bad, was it?
Yeah. Mhm, mate.
Scruffy's name is.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
He's pretty cool.
he's a funny bird.
Now to your paint shop. We should showcase this car, dude, for your business, man.
Yeah, it'd be mental.
Yeah, Luminos's fucking 59.
You could do some cool videos too.
Alright, that's tight.
Huge canvas.
Yeah, but not like
Nice big
when I
canvas.
paid the guy. I paid the guy, right, $4,000, and he took it to his workshop,
And this is it.
and like then he did a fair bit of work, right, but he never got it painted, and then it just sat there for 6 months, and then I had to like repo it back, dude, you know,
Mm. Mm. Mm.
and then the agreement was he'll pay me like $100 a week, you know, for the
This
rest
is
of
live. This
Yeah.
agreement was live.
Yeah.
So I'm suing his ass. He just had too many projects, man. So he really wanted to do the Impala. I was like, no, man, I'll do it for you, dude. I'll only charge you for materials, you know, and all this shit. I was like, I didn't really want it, but he was like, dude, I got all these plans, and he did all the cool, like, the base color for the lace work, what I exactly wanted to do. And when I walked in, I saw it in the paint booth. I was like, wow, dude.
You have to do some crazy shit to this paintwork, man.
Mm.
These paints are crazy.
That's why I started.
Did you check out the booth?
That's why I started taking the door.
Yeah,
The front guards were bare metal.
Yeah,
Um,
Yeah, it's cool.
the roof was bare metal.
Or another custom.
Yeah.
I took that off the bare metal, you know. I got drunk. Look at the dragon, dude. I painted that dragon myself, mate.
Which dragon?
The one in the corner, next to the cards there.
Where? This?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see it now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Do you want to keep filming or not?
I think that's it.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Dude, I could see your weapon.